Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today we have another tool review on this beast of a rear handle saw. It's a Milwaukee M18, and we're gonna check this bad boy out. So for the review of this saw today, I was going to put it up against a Milwaukee M18 saw that I reviewed earlier this year, just a normal saw here, and the problem is that it's just not fair. So this bad boy here comes with a 12 amp hour brick of a battery. So this one is a little bit different than that previous saw. So what we're going to do is compare it against the Makita rear handle saw as well. I know this is about 2 years old now. They're very similar in stats. I'll tell you the difference here in a little bit, but let's see them head to head. All right guys, you've seen the head-to-head here. So let's talk stats, let's talk details, let's talk features, let's talk price here also. So first with the Makita, this is the LXT X2. It uses 18 volt batteries here. As you can see, they both go in right here. You have the hanger hook on here. You have your battery gauge up top there, and that is because you can't see the battery gauge if you have those on your LXT batteries. So as far as everything else, as far as features, as far as bevel, it's very comparable. The big difference about this saw here from Makita is that it is almost 2 years old now at the time of this review. So when I tested this a couple years ago at a Home Depot event, I mean, it blew everything away. There wasn't anything close to it. This was the saw to revolutionize the industry. Nothing matched it. So as you can tell, there is something out there now that is very, very close, if not better. So what's the difference here? Because this saw is 2 years old, it sells for $349 right now at Home Depot. It comes with two 5.0 amp hour batteries. Those are 18 volt, charger, bag, everything else. This comes with it. Great saw, 5,100 RPMs, and I believe 558 cross cuts with this. So you get a lot out of one charge. There's no way you're gonna do 558 cuts in a day. You might, I don't know, but usually I keep batteries in these things and just use it, and not have to worry about recharging it. Now, for the Milwaukee, a little bit different. Obviously it's new. It comes with that massive brick of a 12 amp hour battery of the M18 line. I mean, those things alone are like $200, so you get a lot of value in that. I mean, you are getting value with two batteries here with the Makita, but those 12 amp hour batteries are pretty rare to come by in a tool. It actually reminds me of a lot of the outdoor equipment that Milwaukee has. They just have these big spots here for tools that can run forever. So as far as RPMs, we're talking 5,800 RPMs, and you're talking 570 crosscuts. So very similar. You're only getting 12 crosscuts difference between this one and the Makita. Power, you saw the difference between the two here, and that's 2 years worth of technology. When it comes down to it though, it matters of what battery platform you're on. In my opinion, these saws are very similar. This was one of the best saws I ever tested. This one is right there with it. So it honestly comes down to a coin flip of which one you like, what platform you're on. This one's brand new, like I said. Comes with a battery, comes with a charger, comes with a bag. Milwaukee tools are getting tough these days, really job site tough. So I mean, you can't go wrong with either one of these here. So if you like my channel, guys, that's it for my review. Make sure you subscribe right here. I would appreciate it. If you hate me, subscribe anyway. But make sure you check out this tool review as well, because I got a lot of them coming up here, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Brick or the 12 amp one, or head to head, you guys.